in trigonometry there is one activity is there. That activity is, there is an activity in trigonometric ratios, trigonometry chapter, there is an activity. So that activity is, there are some steps how to do this activity. Draw a horizontal line on paper. Let the initial point be A and mark all points B, C, D and E at a distance of 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 12 centimeters respectively from A. Okay, the third step is draw a perpendicular lines, perpendiculars BP, CQ, DR and ES of length 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 16 centimeters from the point B, C, D and E respectively. Then join AP, PQ, QR and RS. Find the length of AP, AQ, AR and AS and fill the table this. So this activity is very easy, and after filling this activity we have to find okay, the ratio of BP, AP, CQ, AQ, DR, AR and ES, AS. Okay, from this did you get the same ratio as 4 by 5? That we have to conclude from doing this. Okay, and similarly try to find the ratios of AB by AP, AC by AQ, AD by AR and AE by AS. From this what do you observe? So take a graph paper, okay, draw a line, draw a horizontal line, okay, this is an horizontal line. Okay, so let it be, this is A, and from this 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, okay, so this is B, and again 1, 2, 3, this is C, 1, 2, 3, this is D, 1, 2, 3, this is E, 1, 2, 3, this is F. Therefore AB is 3 centimeters and AC is 6 centimeters, 3 plus 3 6, AD 3 3 3, so AD is 9 centimeters and AE is okay 12 centimeters, and draw perpendicular lines of length 4 centimeters from B, that is so AP 1 2 3 4 centimeters, and CQ of 8 centimeters. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So CQ, it is another perpendicular line to this line, that is 8 centimeter. This is 4 centimeters and this is 8 centimeters. Okay, so you know that this is 3 centimeters and this is also 3 centimeters, this is also 3 centimeters, so this is 3 centimeters. Now from D, draw a line of 12 centimeters. Okay, so this is 4, this is 8, and 1 2 3 4, so this is of 12 centimeters of what is that? ADR, DR, another perpendicular line to this line DR. So this is of 12 centimeters. And another line of length 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. So this is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is of 16 centimeters. This is S. Now join all these from A to this. So here this is a triangle ABP, and in this triangle AB is 3 centimeters and BP is 4 centimeters. And what is this AP? Try to find the distance of this one. It is okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is of 5 centimeters. And this is also, so it is also 5 centimeters. So from here to here it is also 5 centimeters. From this RS, this distance is also 5 centimeters. See this ABP, ABP in triangle ABP. AP is 3 centimeters, BP is 4 centimeters, and AP is 5 centimeters. Okay, in triangle ABP, AP is equal to 3 centimeters, BP is equal to 4 centimeters, and AP is equal to 5 centimeters. In triangle ACQ, AC, so AC, this is 3, this is 3, so total 6 centimeter. AC is 6 centimeters, and CQ is 8 centimeters, CQ 8 centimeters, and AQ 5 plus 5 10 centimeters, AQ 10 centimeters. In triangle ADR, AD, so 3, 3, 3, so 3 3 is a 9, so AD is 9 centimeters. AD is equal to 9 centimeters, and DR 12 centimeters, and AR, so from here to here 5, 10, 15, AR is 15 centimeters, AR 15 centimeters. And in triangle AES, in triangle AES, AE is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, so 3 4s are 12, AE is 12 centimeters. And ES is 16 centimeters, so this is 16 centimeters. And last AS is 20 centimeters, AS is 20 centimeters. So these are the measurements of these triangles. So all these triangles, what are ABP and ACQ, ADR, AES, all these are similar triangles. So triangle ABP is similar to triangle ACQ and similar to triangle ADR, similar to triangle AES. So all these are similar. All these are similar. So all these triangles are similar. Okay. Now, so we have to fill this table by using this one. Okay. See here. So in triangle ABP, okay. So name of the triangle is ABP. Length of hypotenuse. So this is 90 degree, therefore it is hypotenuse. Length of the hypotenuse is 5 centimeter and length of opposite side. So to this angle, opposite side is 4 centimeters and length of adjacent. So to this angle, this is adjacent. So this is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. Now opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite end how much? 4 centimeters by hypotenuse 5 centimeters is equal to 4 by 5. And adjacent side by hypotenuse. So this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So 3 by 5. So 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters is equal to 3 by 5. So similarly in ACQ, in this triangle, okay, length of hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse AQ is hypotenuse. So 5 plus 5. So this is 10 centimeters. Length of the hypotenuse in ACQ is 10 centimeters and length of opposite side to this is opposite side. So this is 8 centimeters. And length of adjacent side. So this is adjacent side. So this is the one. So this is 3 plus 3, 6 centimeters. Now opposite by hypotenuse. This is opposite and this is hypotenuse. Okay, 8 centimeters by 10 centimeter is equal to 4 by 5. And adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So 6 by 10. 6 centimeters by 10 centimeters is equal to 3 by 5. And similarly ADR, triangle ADR. So this triangle ADR, in this triangle the hypotenuse is this one. How much? 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. So length of hypotenuse is 15 centimeters and length of opposite to this this is opposite and this is how much? This is 12 centimeters. And length of adjacent. So this is adjacent. So 3 3 3. So 9. Okay. AD is 9 centimeters. Now opposites by hypotenuse. So this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So 12 centimeters by 15 centimeters is equal to 4 by 5. Adjacent by hypotenuse. This is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So 9 centimeters by 15 centimeters is equal to again 3 by 5. And similarly in triangle AES, this big triangle AES, okay, hypotenuse is this one and this is 5 5 5 5. So total 20 centimeters. So hypotenuse is 20 centimeters. And the length of opposite side, so this is opposite side, and this is of how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 centimeters. This is 16 centimeters. So 16 centimeters. And length of adjacent side is this is adjacent side. Okay, 3 plus 3 6 9 12. So length of the adjacent side is 12 centimeters. Now opposite by hypotenuse, so this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. 16 centimeters by 20 centimeters is equal to again 4 by 5. And adjacent by hypotenuse, this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So adjacent is 12 centimeters, hypotenuse is 20 centimeters, again it is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, from this table we can conclude that the ratio of BP AP. So BP, what is BP? This is BP and this is AP. This by this by, okay, this one by this one is BP by AP. So BP by AP is 4 by 5. And CQ by AQ, CQ by AQ, this is CQ and this is AQ. So 8 by 10. So 8 by 10 is 4 by 5. Again DR by AR. So this is DR and this is AR. DR by AR, 12 by 15. So 12 by 15, this is again 4 by 5. And similarly ES by AS, ES by AS, ES by AS, again it is 16 by 20, 16 by 20, 4 by 5. So we have got same answer. So this ratio, this ratio, this ratio, all these 4 ratios we got the same ratio as 4 by 5. Okay, we got same ratio 4 by 5. Okay, this is right one. Now come to another ratios, that is AP by AB by AP. So this is AB and this is AP. AB by AP. AB by AP, how much? AB by AP is 3 by 5. Okay, so 3 centimeters by 5 centimeters, 3 by 5. Again AC by AQ. So this is AC and this is AQ. Okay, AC by AQ. Okay, so AC is 9, AC is 6 and AQ is 10. Okay, 6 by 10, again 3 by 5. Okay, and AD by AR, AD, this is AD, this is 9 and AR, this is 15. So 9 centimeter by 15 centimeter, again 3 by 5. And AE by AS, AE by AS. So AE how much? 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is 12, AE is 12 and AS is 5, 5, 5, 5, 20. So 12 by 20. So 12 centimeter by 20, 12 centimeter by 20 is equal to 3 by 5. So we got same. Okay. So if we find, if we try to find the ratios of these, what we observe? This is equal to, this is same as 3 by 5. Okay, from this activity we got these answers. Okay, so here opposite by hypotenuse is 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, we got same answers. So hence we conclude that the ratio of opposite side of an angle and the length of hypotenuse is constant in all similar triangles of right angle triangle. This ratio will be named as the sine of that angle. Sine of that angle. What are those? AB by AP, AC by AQ, AD by AR, AE by AS, and it is found that constant. Okay. And similarly, adjacent side by hypotenuse is again 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Hence, we can also conclude that the ratio of adjacent side of an angle and the length of hypotenuse is constant in all similar right angle triangle. This ratio will be named as the cosine of that angle. Okay. Similarly, in the same way, the ratio of opposite side and adjacent side of an angle is constant, and it can be named as a tangent of that angle. Okay. So what is the sine? Opposite side of an angle by hypotenuse. The ratio of opposite side of an angle and length of the hypotenuse. Sine is ratio of side of an angle and length of hypotenuse. And cosine, what is cosine? Ratio of adjacent side of an angle and length of the hypotenuse. So this is cosine. And what is a tangent? Ratio of opposite side and adjacent side of an angle. What is tangent? Ratio of opposite side and adjacent side of an angle is named as tangent. See here, sine of an angle A can be written as sine A. Sine A is equal to length of side of opposite side to angle A by length of hypotenuse. So in this triangle ABC, so right angle at B, and to this angle sine A of this is opposite side of angle A to this angle, this is opposite, that is BC. Okay. And hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse? This is right angle, therefore opposite to this one is this is hypotenuse. Opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse, and this is opposite for this angle. Okay. So sine of angle A can be written as sine A, and sine A is a ratio of length of side of opposite to angle A, length of hypotenuse. So opposite to angle A is this is BC by hypotenuse, this is AC. Opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. And cosine of angle A is cos A, short form, length of side adjacent to the angle A. So this is adjacent side to angle A, AB, length of hypotenuse. So this is 90 degree, so therefore it is hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. And tan of angle A is equal to tan A, short form. And tan A is ratio of length of side opposite to the angle A, length of side of adjacent to angle A. So tan A is equal to length of the opposite side, length of the side opposite to angle A by length of the side adjacent to angle A. That is to this angle, this is BC is opposite, okay, BC, and adjacent side, this is adjacent side AB. So BC by AB. So these are the definitions. Okay. So we defined sine, cos, tan as like this.